See you later.
So I'm in love with my phone to like no end.
Oh, I was like, what is that? Shining light.
I know it's bright, ain't it, dude? Stupid bright.
Did you use my car? Did you see my keys?
Yeah,
What?
Did you use my car? Because I don't see my keys.
Yeah, I have your. Yeah, right in front of me.
Okay.
Hey, park here across.
Logan, seriously, don't stop here, darling.
You're welcome.
Your mom's
See you
not
guys later.
What? What? Shoes. I'm always stealing your shoes, Arena, because I like to stare at them and wish my feet were that small.
Well, that's expensive.
$15 for shoes.
Okay, that's an odd place for the cheese slicer, but I'm not going to say anything about that. I didn't slice cheese. You probably did it. I didn't leave it there. You probably did. I did not. Not. Why are you recording me?
I'm not recording your mom.
Why are you recording me?
Why does everybody always keep saying that?
I don't need to be recorded. I don't look good right now.
That's why I always gotta look at everybody else, and then people are like, "Hey, why look at everybody else?" Because my wife won't let me record her ever. It drives me crazy. I can't record anything. I have all this recording space on this thing, and I never can record anything. So they're always telling me to turn away.
Or nasty, man.
Dork.
Why did you do it like this?